I'm quite sure all of you have enjoyed a bucket of popcorn during the movies, isn't it? But have you ever wondered what really makes popcorn pop and sizzle so loudly? Let's discover the fascinating science behind popcorn. Each corn kernel is like a tiny pressure cooker. Inside the hard outer shell called the hull, there is a bit of water trapped along with the starch. When you heat the corn kernel, the water inside turns into steam. But because the hull is very hard and sealed tight, the steam cannot escape. Pressure builds up inside as temperature rises to about 180 degrees Celsius. Once the pressure becomes too much, the hull suddenly bursts open. That is the pop. This is when the starch inside the corn, which has become soft and gooey, rapidly expands and cools to form the fluffy white popcorn we love. But what about the sizzle and the pop sound? It comes from the sudden release of steam inside the kernel. When the hull breaks, those trapped pockets of steam rush out quickly, causing the kernel and the air around it to vibrate and create that sharp popping sound. There is another cool fact. After popping, the corn kernel even jumps a little like a gymnast doing a flip. This happens because part of the starch acts like a leg pushing off the surface. So next time when you hear popcorn popping, remember it's all about water inside the corn turning to steam, building pressure and bursting the kernel open. A perfect combination of physics and biology working together for a delicious treat of popcorn. For more such science explainers, subscribe to UPSC Simplified.